You are good to go. Three for three! Wow! You just needed one more to knock that little bug out. Man, that was some shooting.